use of detergents in the field, verifying that you're using the right amounts, whether you're mixing it in a pump sprayer or whether you're using a Venturi type system. If you're using a Venturi type system, you'd be metering water through the tips and verifying that your concentrations match up to what your SSOP is asking for in the right mixture of detergent and water. So whether it's a pump sprayer, a foamer, a pressure washer Venturi system, you always want to take opportunity to verify on a periodic basis that your mixing of the chemical is correct.